The power of relaxation in achieving success. We're often led to believe that success, fulfillment, and achieving our desires require relentless effort, stress, and constant struggle. Society glorifies hustle culture, making relaxation seem like a luxury, or even a sign of laziness. However, the ancient Stoics understood that true power doesn't come from forceful striving, but from calmness, clarity, and acceptance of life's natural flow. Relaxation, from a Stoic perspective, isn't about passivity or doing nothing. It's about releasing unnecessary tension, detaching from unhealthy desires, and trusting that life will unfold as it should. Let's explore how Stoicism teaches us to stay relaxed while still achieving everything we want. Before we continue, hit the like button below. This isn't just a simple click, it's a commitment to stop tolerating what destroys you. Comment on what resonates with you most. What lesson do you wish you had learned sooner? Share this video with those still trapped in toxic cycles. And most importantly, subscribe now, because what you're about to hear will change how you see others and, more importantly, how you see yourself. First, let go of the outcome. Focus on the process. Seneca wisely said, "He suffers more than necessary who suffers before it is necessary." When you fixate on an outcome, whether it's getting a job, making a business succeed, or gaining someone's approval, you create unnecessary anxiety. This mental tension blocks creativity, intuition, and rational decision-making. Instead, practice detached engagement. Do your best in every situation, but accept that the final result isn't entirely in your hands. True peace comes from immersing yourself in the process, not obsessing over the reward. Ironically, when you relax and let go of your attachment to success, you actually increase your chances of achieving it. Success isn't forced. It flows naturally to those who embody the right mindset and actions. 2. Understand what you can and can't control. At the heart of Stoicism is the dichotomy of control. Some things are within your control, while others are not. Most stress comes from worrying about things outside our influence, other people's opinions, external circumstances, or uncertain outcomes. The Stoic response? Relax and focus only on what you can control. Instead of stressing over whether you'll succeed, concentrate on taking the right actions. Instead of forcing relationships, embody the qualities of a good friend or partner. When you stop obsessing over results and focus on doing the right thing, the outcomes often take care of themselves. 3. Cultivate inner stillness. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most powerful emperors in history, ruled a vast empire, yet emphasized the importance of inner stillness and tranquility. Despite the chaos around him, he understood that true strength comes from a calm and focused mind. When you develop inner stillness, you respond to life with wisdom, instead of reacting out of fear or stress. This doesn't mean you stop working toward your goals. It means you move through life with a sense of peace, trusting that things will unfold as they should. The Stoic approach to success. Success doesn't have to come at the cost of constant stress and struggle. By shifting your focus from anxious striving to relaxed confidence, you allow yourself to operate at your highest potential. Detach from the outcome and enjoy the process. Focus on what's in your control and let go of the rest. Cultivate inner stillness to make wise, clear-headed decisions. Ironically, by embracing relaxation, you become more effective, more creative, and more likely to achieve the very things you once chased with stress and tension. The art of relaxed success. How Stoicism teaches us to let go and thrive. Modern society often pushes the idea that success, fulfillment, and the realization of our desires require relentless effort, stress, and constant struggle. We are told that to achieve anything worthwhile, we must hustle, grind, and push ourselves to the limit. Relaxation is often dismissed as laziness, and slowing down is seen as a weakness. However, the ancient Stoics understood a profound truth. True power, resilience, and success do not come from forceful striving, but from calmness, clarity, and alignment with life's natural flow. To the Stoics, relaxation was never about inaction or complacency. Instead, it meant letting go of unnecessary tension, detaching from unhealthy desires, and trusting in the natural unfolding of events. This mindset allows us to achieve everything we desire, not through stress and struggle, but through wisdom, acceptance, and right action. Let's explore how Stoicism teaches us to relax while still achieving our highest goals and aspirations. 1. Find inner stillness, the power of a calm mind. Can man find a quieter or more untroubled retreat than in his own soul? Marcus Aurelius. True peace and clarity come from within. When the mind is restless, filled with anxiety, fear, and doubt, it becomes clouded and unable to perceive reality clearly. Like turbulent waters, a chaotic mind distorts the truth, making it difficult to make wise decisions, recognize opportunities, and navigate life effectively. A calm and relaxed mind, on the other hand, is like still water. It reflects the truth without distortion. It allows us to see things as they really are, untainted by unnecessary worry or emotional turbulence. Cultivating this inner stillness is essential for making clear decisions, attracting the right opportunities, and manifesting our desires effortlessly. To develop inner stillness, practice mindfulness, journaling, and deep reflection. Engage in activities that help you disconnect from external noise and reconnect with your own thoughts and values. The quieter your mind, the greater your clarity, wisdom, and ability to move through life with confidence and ease. 2. Let go of the outcome. Focus on the process. He suffers more than necessary who suffers before it is necessary. Seneca. One of the greatest sources of stress and anxiety is fixation on outcomes. Whether it's securing a job, succeeding in business, or being liked by others, an excessive focus on results creates unnecessary tension. When you attach your happiness and self-worth to external results, you put yourself in a state of constant worry. The Stoic approach is to shift your focus from the outcome to the process. This is what the philosopher Seneca referred to as detached engagement, giving your best effort in every situation while accepting that the final result is not entirely within your control. By doing this, you paradoxically increase your chances of success. Instead of acting from a place of desperation, you move with confidence, creativity, and a sense of ease. Success is not something you force. It is something you naturally attract by becoming the kind of person who embodies the qualities of success. When you relax and enjoy the process rather than obsessing over the reward, you create a state of flow where things unfold more effortlessly. 3. Understand the dichotomy of control. Master your focus. At the heart of Stoicism lies the dichotomy of control, the distinction between what we can and cannot control. Most of our stress and frustration come from trying to control things that are beyond our power. You cannot control other people's opinions, external circumstances, or uncertain outcomes. You can control your thoughts, actions, and how you respond to challenges. The Stoic solution? Focus only on what you can control and let go of the rest. Instead of stressing about whether your efforts will lead to success, focus on taking the right actions. Instead of trying to control relationships, become the kind of person who naturally attracts good relationships. By letting go of external worries and directing your energy toward what is truly within your power, you free yourself from unnecessary stress and create the conditions for success to unfold naturally. 4. Align with nature's flow. Trust life's timing. The Stoics believed in living in accordance with nature, meaning they accepted life's natural rhythms rather than resisting them. Lao Tzu, though not a Stoic, captured this wisdom perfectly. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Forcing things disrupts their natural course. Just as a tree grows at its own pace, so too do success, relationships, and personal growth. When you try to rush things or force results before their time, you create resistance and struggle.
Instead, practice trusting the timing of life. Work diligently, take the right actions, and then let things unfold as they should. When you